Okay, well, I'm back, and it's been about a week since I've touched this model. I had to take a little break from it, and then the weather got kind of cold down here. So today I bit the bullet and got out some Stynylrez dark gray primer, went over the body, the roof, the hood, and the spare tire with a few coats of that, about 2 or 3 coats. Let that dry, and then I'm going to try putting on the Aztec, Testors Aztec opaque white. I'll airbrush that on, and hopefully that will come out well and cover up any red bleed through. So far it's looking good. Okay, well, the Aztec white paint didn't quite work out. It was a little bit thinner than what I was hoping, so I ended up putting 3 more coats of the Rust-Oleum 2X white primer to try and cover. There's still a bit of a pinkish glow on some of the panels here. It may not be showing up on the video. And I hit it with some Future, put a coat of Future on just to harden it up a little bit. But I think I'm just going to move ahead with the build and spend enough time on it. If it's good enough for what I'm planning to do. I've got the windshield in here, and I just have to put the side wings on, side glass, and I'll do that after it's installed on the body. I've got the portholes and the rear window in on the roof. So next step is to assemble these parts and wrap it all up. Okay, I'm back again, and you may notice that I bought this cutting board from the Dollarama store, and using that now as the base for my videotaping, and also I can use that to build the models on and to cut on. As you can see here, I've got the car pretty much together. I've got the interior tub in, chassis, body on the chassis, the hood on, just taped, hold it in place, got the wheels on, and got the roof ready over here. I've done around the edge with the silver Sharpie, got the spare tire. The paint's still not 100%, but I'm just going to keep moving forward here with it. It looks fine for me for now, and just have to get the roof on. I think I'm just going to use, I'm going to put the windshield on. I just put a drop of super glue on each corner here and one in the middle where it touched the body, and got that to dry and to hold it on there, and then I ran some Mod Podge just around underneath just to try and seal that a little better. I'll probably do the same with the roof. I'm going to glue that in place, and I'll just use Mod Podge, I guess, just to glue the spare tire carrier, just to set it in the back bumper there. So it's coming along, and try and get Suzanne Somers to show up here to take it for a little spin and have a bit of a photo shoot. See you soon.
You must have the wrong number, partner.
Wait, what did you say?
Well, it's been a little while since I made any progress on this Thunderbird build, but I've taken a piece of thin styrene sheet and cut out the Thunderbird symbol on it, painted it with some Molotow chrome, and put some Mod Podge to glue it to the spare tire carrier. And I've got a couple of different pictures of Suzanne Somers off the internet here, looking out the window of the Thunderbird, coated with Mod Podge and attached to a piece of card. I'm going to cut, I think I'm going to go with this one that's opened up here, cut that out and glue it in the window of the car. So stay tuned. Well, I've got the 56 Thunderbird completed. I got the mirrors and door handles on, the windows. I got Suzanne Somers in the driver's seat. Got the spare tire carrier on. I've got the trim markings done in Molotow chrome. And it's ready for the shelf. Just give it a quick look over here, and there'll be a few pictures at the end. Thanks for following along.